boil, fry, chop, bake. Do you know cooking words in English? Today we go into the kitchen. Let's cook up some vocabulary. Welcome back to Learn Languages. I'm your English teacher. Cooking vocabulary helps you follow recipes in English. It helps you talk about food with friends. Let's start with the kitchen. Section 1, Kitchen Equipment. These are the tools you use every day. The fridge keeps food cold. The oven for baking and roasting. The hob or stove, the flat cooking surface. The microwave heats food quickly. The kettle boils water. A saucepan, a pot with a handle. A frying pan, flat pan for frying. A knife and chopping board for cutting food. Practice. Look around your kitchen. Name 5 things in English. Section 2, Cooking verbs. These are actions you do when you cook. Boil, cook in hot water. Boil the pasta. Fry, cook in hot oil. Fry the eggs. Bake, cook in the oven. Bake a cake. Roast, cook meat or vegetables in the oven. Grill, cook over direct heat. Chop, cut into pieces. Chop the onion. Mix, combine ingredients together. Stir, move food around while cooking. Peel, remove the skin. Peel the potatoes. Pour, move liquid from one place to another. 10 verbs. Use them every time you cook. Section 3, Reading a simple recipe. Let me show you how recipes use these words. First, peel and chop the onions. Then fry them in a pan with oil. Add the tomatoes and stir well. Boil the pasta in salted water. Mix everything together and serve. You just understood a recipe in English. That is real progress. Recap. Kitchen tools: fridge, oven, hob, saucepan, frying pan. Cooking verbs: boil, fry, bake, roast, chop, mix, stir, peel, pour. Recipe language: first, then, add, serve. Your challenge: describe how you make your favorite dish. Use at least 3 cooking verbs in the comments. If this lesson helped you, please like the video. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.